Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to get stuck into the side skirts and the bumpers. Stay tuned, guys. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Please hit that subscribe button. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Let's do it. Alrighty, guys. I did clean them up a little bit yesterday. With just the bucket. I'm going to use the pressure washer today. So I'm going to close the garage door, and Az is going to help me wash these. I'll start sanding them down today. Alright, guys. We're about to start over here near the barbecue. We've actually got the front bumper. That's going to be later, but we're going to be working on these three today. You going to help us? No. Alrighty, guys, I'm going to go get the tables out of the garage and I'm going to put the side skirts on the tables. I'll probably get the horses out too for the bumper. So the fiberglass that's on the horses, I'll put it in the back shed. Alright, guys, so along the side skirt there's this little clear bar, I guess it's called, clear bar for the door. I'm going to leave that one on there. I am going to tape it up for a primer colour. I'm going to take the tape off and go over it with a clear. With the back one, I need to get that off. So we've got to heat that up a little bit and peel it off, but that's more towards the end. Alright, this little strip here has actually got a bit of damage on it, so I'm actually going to take that off. And yeah, so it's going to take a bit more time to get these ready. So while I'm recording this, I'm actually still working on Skyline in the garage. So I'll just be going back and forth. Alrighty, guys, this is taking quite a while. So I'm going to jump back onto the actual body of the Skyline and shoot the primer again. This has taken way too long, and the next 3 days are really good weather. These might just have to be painted at a different time, but you'll see it in this episode anyways. I'm gonna go grab some lunch. I'm hungry. Alright, guys, it's the next day after you saw the last scene of this, as I painted the Skyline just in the primer. Got a lot of work to do here. I do have to wait for paint, so that's why I'm moving on to this. Just going to be sanding down the car. It is a bit rough, but yeah. Hopefully we get paint late today or tomorrow. Alrighty, guys, so my paint's been put up a couple of days, so definitely got enough time to get all these ready, primed. Yeah, I'll show you just little bits and pieces. It's quite warm today and tomorrow, so it the paint should be ready tomorrow afternoon, so Thursday. It's supposed to be over 30 degrees. Yeah, I'm just going to sit here and sand these back. Alrighty guys, I'm back. It's Thursday. Today is supposed to be about 34 degrees Celsius. So definitely no painting today. It's just too hot. So this is what it's looking like at the moment. It is ready for its colour. Might need just a little light sand. It's a bit rough. But today we're going to continue on with these. I am struggling today with the pollen and hay fever, so we'll move on to side skirts as all of these are done, as you just saw. Once I've done the side skirts, I'll move on to the rear bumper. So we need to actually, I'll use body filler onto that first, and then I'll continue on with these. Now this has been repaired before. Some filler there. We'll get that all out. I'm going to be using a plastic filler, so I'll work on this hopefully before the heat comes. I have to chase the shadow for a bit, and yeah. So I've got this plastic fill for motor spray, Rust-Oleum black. Let's chuck it on. There we go. Looks pretty messy. Struggle a little bit on these edges with getting the curve right, but we'll see how we go. We'll move over and continue with the side skirts. Alrighty, gonna get these plastic protectors off, stone guards, whatever you want to call them, with a heat gun, and I'm just gonna heat it up a little bit and just pick it off. I tried scraping it and it doesn't work, so well, I finally got that off. Still got glue on there though. Need to work on this, and I'll keep sanding this side and repair, and we can finally move on to the other one. Right, so this is probably about 20 minutes work. I'm going to heat it up quite hot until it turns into like a gel, and scrape it. This is going to take forever, and my hay fever's playing up quite a bit, so yeah, we'll get this done as quick as possible.
Can you just not whole saw my car? Can you just not whole saw my car? Do you just feel the need to whole saw something?
No.
Because there's some wood over there you can whole saw.
No. Just keep your eye on that side, mate.
Just don't hit the Haltech because I really need that.
I'm really struggling here. I'm gonna get this one off next, and come back to these ones, the door ones. Alrighty guys, I am getting burnt out here. So I'm going to come back when it's not so sunny and finish off the bumper and these. In the next video you'll see on these will be myself priming them ready for colour. So I'm going to end it here, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this episode, give it a thumbs up, and please hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and I'll catch you next episode. Bye.